My name is Philip, your intuitive analyst, and today we will be looking at the crash and fatality reports. As usual, we have our KPIs and slices at the top of our dashboard, and also the first chart we are looking at is the sum of fatalities by type, and the highest fatalities we have by type is Douglas DC3. And also we can scroll down to see the last, which is the lowest. That is Douglas C1 is the lowest. So that gives us the idea of the fatality report for based on type. So the ratio of flight by season. This is the ratio of flight by season. We have the report there, also the chart showing us the analysis of that. And the next chart on the dashboard is the ratio of fatalities by season, which autumn give us the highest number of fatalities by this season. So autumn, during this season autumn, we add more fatalities unlike the other season. And also during we have the chart giving us the ratio of flights per season. So during the winter season, we had more flights. We had more flights in that season, and that shows us the different seasons and their number of flights based on the percentage or the total number of flights that were on that chart. So we are going to go to the next page, which is going to give us some insight into other data. So for this, we are looking at the KPIs or the slices rather at the top of the dashboard. Although I'm not going to go into the details of the chart, I want to quickly talk about the questionnaire and then summary of the dashboard. So this questionnaire, what it does is it gives you some questions you can ask your dashboard. So from the dashboard you can ask these questions, are just there for you to interact with. You can ask the dashboard for the maximum indexes, so it gives you the maximum indexes for the dataset that was given. Also the total abroad over time, you can also get that. And this is showing us a chart showing us the total number of abroad over time, and based on the year rather. And the next one is total grant over time. Also it's going to give us a chart also you can view, and you can close that once you are done. So you can compare fatalities and grant, that is the air fatalities and ground fatalities. So the sum of fatalities on the air is 10,000, that's 105,479, and the sum of ground fatalities is 8,440. So, and also the last one there is how many flights are there. So this is also going to give us the total number of flights we have on the data set. So below it we have the summary. The summary gives us more insight about everything that is happening on our dashboard. So from there we can quickly denote some key details if we want to just get some key details from the dashboard. Because of my time, I won't be able to go into the other details of the dashboard. So that's will be the end of my presentation for today. Thank you.